If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Starion Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email for any messages from Starion Bank. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Verify your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit required documents. If the bank has requested specific documents for verification, gather and submit them as instructed. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant paperwork. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Starion Bank's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation to get personalized assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you have submitted any required documents and contacted support, wait for confirmation from the bank. This may take a few days, so be patient while they process your information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status with Starion Bank efficiently. If issues continue, consider following up with customer support for further assistance.